to the former President of India, late Sri K.R. Narayan ji. Sri Narayan was an eminent statesman, diplomat and scholar. I consider it an honor to unveil the bust of late Sri K.R. Narayan here at Raj Bhavan today. I would like to thank Sri Ramnath Kovind ji, former President of India, under whose guidance this initiative has been taken. I am sure that his memory will inspire people to uphold the values of equality, integrity and public service that he stood for. Late Sri K.R. Narayan's life is a story of courage, perseverance and self-belief. Through immense dedication and the power of education, he went on to occupy the highest constitutional office of our nation. His academic excellence was a symbol of what determination and opportunity can accomplish when guided by purpose. Before entering politics, Sri K.R. Narayan built a distinguished career in the Indian Foreign Service. Sri Narayan upheld India's values of peace, justice and cooperation with utmost sincerity. After his diplomatic career, he was elected to Parliament and went on to service as Union Minister. He was always steadfast to the principles of fairness and inclusion. Sri Narayan was also the Vice President of India. His journey reached its peak when he became the President of India. He carried into the Rashtrapati Bhavan not only his experience as a statesman, but also wisdom and humility of his personality. Ladies and gentlemen, Sri Narayan was deeply rooted in his connection to Kerala, his home state. He drew inspiration from its social progress and emphasis on education and inclusivity. Even after reaching the highest office, Sri Narayan remained connected to his roots. Throughout his life, Sri Narayan emphasized the role of education in human and national development. For him, education was not a privilege for a few, but a right for all. Sri Narayan believed that human values are essential for the growth of a civilization and are fundamental to the development of a society. As our nation moved ahead to achieve the goal of Viksit Bharat, it is essential to ensure that all citizens, especially the weakest and most marginalized, get equal opportunities to realize their dreams. Sri K.R. Narayan has left behind a rich legacy of morality, integrity, compassion and democratic spirit. As we remember him today, let us draw inspiration from his life, which was dedicated to nation building, to create a more inclusive, just and compassionate India. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.